Day 3, Chapter number 3, Verse number 186. You will certainly be tested in your wealth and yourselves, and you will certainly hear from those who were given the book before you and from those who associate partners with Allah hurtful things, many, and if you are patient and fear Allah, then indeed that is of the matters of determination. Now, explanation. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informs us that we will certainly be tested in our wealth and ourselves, that is, our health. Also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informs us in this ayah that the polytheists and those who are given the book before us will say many hurtful things. And if we are patient and fear Allah, we will have our reward from Allah, because these are matters requiring determination.